Isn't she a beauty? Let's make this dish. Welcome to Pockets of Protein, where we love all things high protein. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't so you don't miss out. Now let's get into this recipe. So this is like the perfect spin on a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, except you're using a waffle and you're stuffing everything inside of a waffle. So the first step is to crack some eggs, and it goes without saying, season it to your liking. And from there, you'll oil up a pan, turn on your stove, and you'll scramble your eggs to your liking. You'll take some bacon. I personally prefer turkey bacon. You can either use the same pan or a different pan to cook that to your liking. Now the next step is to make your batter. I add in some powder, I'll add in some eggs, also some milk, and then just to give it a little bit more flavor, I'll add in vanilla bean paste as well as some syrup. From there, you'll mix the batter through, and then this is when you add everything together. Now to make my waffle stuffed breakfast sandwich, I'm gonna be using the Stuffler waffle maker by Presto. Now a common question that might come up is, can I use a traditional waffle maker to make this type of breakfast sandwich? The answer is no, because there needs to be a certain level of depth within your waffle maker to create the pocket in your waffle sandwich. When you're adding in the batter, you want to make sure that you are not overfilling your waffle maker. So we'll add the batter, we'll add the eggs, bacon, and then you're going to add in some cheese as well. Then you top that with another fill of batter to create the top half. From there, you'll rotate the waffle maker and have that cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once your stuffed waffle is done, you'll use the clamps to remove it from the waffle maker. And I don't think I need to explain the beauty and the deliciousness of this sandwich. I think it speaks for itself. Here I have the macros listed, and as with any recipe on this channel, hitting your protein macros will not be an issue. I've listed the link of the waffle maker as well as the ingredient amounts and the macros in the description below. Now, in the spirit of cozy meals, if you love tuna melts, I urge you to check out this video where I put a little bit of a different spin on it and I make it in the air fryer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.